Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can delete transaction history in Worldremit. So let's get started. Stick around till the end so you understand all the details before taking any action. Let's get straight to the point. If you're trying to delete or remove past transfer history from your Worldremit account, the short answer is you cannot. Just like most financial service providers, Worldremit is legally required to retain complete records of all transactions made through its platform. This is done for security, fraud prevention, and compliance with financial regulations. To verify this, you can visit the Help section on the Worldremit website. From the main menu, go to Help, then select My Account. Within this section, you'll find a topic labeled, How do I delete my Worldremit transaction history? If you click on it, it clearly states that Worldremit is legally obligated to keep all customer transaction histories on record. That means neither you nor Worldremit support can remove or delete any specific entries from your transfer history. So, what can you do if you really want to clear your records? The only alternative would be to delete your entire Worldremit account and then create a new one. But keep in mind, this will also erase all your personal settings and saved information.